this off. It looks like it's a bit dirty right there. I don't know what to take off. I think I'm actually gonna take this off first. On the fender right here. Alright, let's do it. There, just don't make the bike fall off. Alright, so yeah, we took it off. It's looking clean though. Just laid out with the other one. So taking off this one and this one. Now it looks pretty good. And yeah, let's take off the rest. Alright, so I decided to take off this next. So I'm just gonna rip it off and see how it looks. Ooh, wait. Looks like it's gonna be some of the glue still intact. Wait, it's hard. Wait. How am I gonna do this? Alright, so I just decided to put the camera up there. I'm not gonna show my face, but I'll just put it up there so y'all can see. But I'm taking it off. Oh my days. There. Now that's up. Okay, well, I just took off this, so yeah. Now I'm taking off on the other side. So let's just, I'm just gonna set the camera down and rip it up. Cut it off. I just got it. Get off my finger. Alright, it looks pretty good if I just give it a wash. Just like that. So now we've done this, and the one on the other side. I'll take this. No, this one's next. Oh, you can see. Oh, holy. Oh my days. What? Oh, look at that. Ew, I gotta give this a wash. Swipe off that next. Doesn't look bad. Like, looks pretty decent. Like, if you look like this, it looks like a. What was that? What was that? Y'all hear that, right? Probably just chipping. But if you look at it like this, looks more like a. Yeah, like a teen's bike, but this looks more like a child's bike. Yeah, I'm not English, so my English isn't that good, but like, yeah, don't bully me. I'm gonna take off this next. Oh, some dirt here too. It's actually pretty satisfying. Oh, I'm moving the whole bike. Ah, it's stuck to my hands. There. Then this part right here. Well, that was easy. And now I'm just gonna take this off, just like, why not? I'm just gonna take this off. You feel me? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Maybe buy a new one, but like, yeah. Alright, now for this part. But can anybody tell me if it's real carbon fiber? I don't know if it's real or fake. looks so good, bro. Alright, this part, just move the handlebars. Bro, these have to be the easiest. Like this part. Yeah, bro. Alright, I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna give you all a final results. Oh wait, but before that, I gotta take this off too. Oh, this one's hard. Wait, I'm just gonna start it. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, this ain't coming off, bro. It's too hard. I'm just stop the video right here and just do it off camera. And then I'll wash the bike and show y'all the results. Wait. It's the babies over there. Over there in that tree right there. That's cool. Yeah, I ain't getting this off. I'm gonna try to find some tools that I can use. As of right here, I actually found a tool. I could probably use this, like grip it and rip it off. I'm gonna try that. As we got it on, I'm gonna try to hold the bike and just rip it. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna rip off the thing. Hold on. I'm gonna do it off camera. I did it. Now I just gotta scratch this off. Oh, alright, now it's just this one. Alright, so I got it off. Looks pretty clean. I'm just gonna give it a wash, take this off, and we'll be good to go.